What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how Elevenstoic grew his mobile app to 20k MRR. And in this case study I'm going to be going about exactly how his onboarding and monetization systems work so that each subscriber gets funneled into a 30 euro recurring subscription. I'm going to be going about the whole marketing funnel and how they scale the app basically for free without any paid ads. And in the end I'm going to be going about the recommendations and how this app could make even more money. Yeah, so about me, I'm Haro and I was the developer at Elevenstoic, as you can see here. I myself built and scaled multiple mobile apps well into the six-figure ranges monthly. I was part of a Microsoft Startup Accelerator and now I teach people how to build mobile apps for a living. So let's go about Elevenstoic. As you can see, he's fucking massive at 1.1 million followers. In his bio there's instantly the link to his app, and in his post you can see that there's a pinned post linking to the app, and every single post, like also in the last slide, if you click on that link you're instantly led to the app store and you go through the onboarding. The onboarding starts with basically telling you a story all in this very aesthetic way. So it starts with like the studies show that persons unlock their phone 96 times a day. So this is supposed to expose the problem that people are just stuck on their phone. Then they try to expose that you are the problem, so be honest. Do these moments bring you closer to the life you actually want? Actually making up that picture in the people's head so like they understand what's going on. Then we instantly propose that mini solution. So let's change that and we turn that problem into those 96 distractions. That's like the value statement of it. Then we go straight into like, how old are you, what's your gender, and then who's this for? And now we're trying to expose the problem. So who stands between you and the life you want, giving multiple meaningful like options which all have like to do with the problem. Then again trying to reshape like that you're the enemy and then that you need to change, trying to make yourself feel vulnerable. Then like, do you believe though you shape your reality? Exactly. So continues with some questions to expose yourself, and then it proposes the solution. Here you already know who you want to be. Now let's build something that reminds you. So now we're going like into like the value statement. So we've now exposed the problem and now we're just trying to show, okay, we can solve that problem for you. First of all, it's about collecting days and not distractions. That's like the whole like not being distracted type of thing. Then showing like simple customization options to like get in touch with it. Then it's about customizing your app. So at first you customize your notifications, your app icon, your app theme, and then you have like this final like call to action where you actually have to physically drag the slider. And then you're shown the paywall. The paywall is pretty simple. It's like made out of 2 steps. So first of all, you like accept it, try for $0. This like, again, like more for $0. So this again reinforces the sunk cost fallacy. So now that you are in the paywall, you will be in a state where you are really eager to buy because you invested so much time in all those steps. You will now be in a state where you're willing to buy this hard paywall. So this really is a hard paywall. You can't get into the app, although it's a pretty simple app, without paying. Elevenstoic can do that because his brand authority is just so big, so he can really do that. So after you bought it, you are then in the main app, and that app is actually pretty simple. So it just has a streak. Streaks are really important. It's pretty simple, so it just has a streak, content drops, notifications, and widget as like the value reinforcement, which leads to a pretty good, like pretty low churn rate. So now let's go into the product analytics. We analyze just the retention, so we can see like where people drop off in the onboarding, and in the subscription we also see like how many people complete which step. And then we do paywall testing. So we have set up multiple products in the paywall, which we A/B test to get like the best variance. Yeah, and that's basically it. So Elevenstoic's app is printing like 20K per month just through like his organics leading into the channel. Still, it's not perfect. I would change the link in his bio to redirect to his like actual website. I'm pretty sure that Elevenstoic is non-technical, so he does not have that set up. It's not that hard. This allows to cut like the Apple developer tax, which is like 30%, if you just have the onboarding straight in the web version. You would be redirected to their website, and then you go through the onboard just in the browser. And here you can pay with Stripe now, not with Apple Pay. Yeah, and that's basically it. I think like if Elevenstoic were to do this improvement, he would make like 20% more income. This would be like another 4K per month. So he would make like 25K per month. And also this would allow for way better horizontal scaling with more channels. So you know exactly where each channel or each revenue type is coming from. Yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. That's basically it. I do this for a living, so I build apps for creators. You can check here. If you're interested, hit me up, just go on Talk to Us, and you can book a meeting just with me. It's all free. And then we can figure something out about building a nice mobile app together, making a lot of money. Yeah, thanks for watching.